How to use the Vsmile VRP L230 3D printer. Connect the power cable securely and switch on the main power button to start. Before leveling, ensure the top locking knob of the build platform is tightened. Loosen the 4 side screws to allow the platform to tilt and remove the resin vat. Clean the platform surface with 95% ethanol. Place a cleaner foresheet on the LCD screen. Tap device control, then tap down. The platform will automatically descend until it compresses the paper. Tighten the 4 side screws diagonally. Tap Move to top to return the platform to its upper position. Before reinstalling, check the FEP release film of the resin vat and the LCD screen for dust or debris. Clean with a lint-free wipe if necessary. Place the resin vat back onto the glass base. Push it fully inward and rotate the quick release knobs inward to lock it securely. Shake the resin bottle thoroughly. Then pour resin into the vat. Ensure the liquid level remains between the minimum and maximum markings. Close the printer's top cover. Import the intraoral scan STL file into the slicing software. Arrange the printing layout and export the sliced file to a USB drive or transfer the file wirelessly to the printer. Insert the USB drive. Select Print. Choose the desired model. Start printing. The interface will display remaining time, printed layers, total layers, and progress. About 1 hour later, open the top cover and remove the build platform. Use a metal scraper to gently separate the printed object from the build platform. Keep the scraper parallel to avoid damaging the model or scratching the platform surface. Rinse the model in 95% ethanol. Then perform ultrasonic 95% ethanol cleaning for a thorough wash. Remove the model and use an air gun to dry the surface completely. Place the model in the curing unit for UV post-curing. After curing is complete, remove the model from the curing chamber, ready for use. For more tutorials, tips, and dental 3D printing solutions, follow Vsmile and explore smarter digital workflows.